Pay close attention. Your angel is trying to tell you something that will change your life right now. It's no coincidence that you're here at this very moment. You are so focused on yourself, and that's powerful, it's transformative. Finally, you're feeling what it's like to truly look at yourself, to dive into your emotions, to embrace self-love. And it's in this flow, in this intense energy, that new possibilities are emerging. I know you've already healed a lot, you've left behind old pains, but there's still a path ahead, and the universe is conspiring to show you this. Stay with me until the end, because what comes next will open your eyes in a way you never imagined. You've reached a point in your life where your self-confidence is palpable. It's not that forced confidence, the kind that seems like a facade to hide insecurities. On the contrary, it's true confidence that comes from a deep place, where you finally recognize all your qualities. You see your worth, not in an arrogant way, but with a serenity that only someone who truly knows themselves can have. It's something almost difficult to explain, but deep down, you feel that you are a good person. And this isn't just a passing thought, it's something you know for sure. You know that in your daily life, you do your best to be someone who spreads kindness and makes a difference. And because of that, you feel so loved by God, who created you with such care and purpose, and who guides your every step. This confidence you have, this light you radiate, doesn't go unnoticed. The people around you notice it. It's as if you've become a magnet, attracting attention and admiration. And among all these gazes, there's one person in particular who is always there in the background, watching you with special attention. This person might not be communicating much right now, but don't be mistaken. The fact that they're not approaching doesn't mean a lack of interest. In fact, it could be quite the opposite. Maybe they're waiting for the right moment, that instant when everything falls into place to take the first step. They might be reflecting, preparing, so that when the time is right, they can connect with you on a deeper level. It's interesting to think that, while you're in this phase of growth, this person is also walking their own path. They are strengthening, preparing, so that when the encounter happens, it's at the ideal moment, when both of you are ready for this connection. Now, the most important thing is for you to continue on this journey of self-confidence. Keep radiating who you truly are, because the universe is working in your favor. God is taking care of every detail, preparing the perfect setting for this connection to happen naturally and harmoniously. You are exactly where you should be, and you can trust that everything will happen at the right time, according to the divine plan that's laid out for you. You're going through an interesting phase, aren't you? Someone is clearly interested in you, but at the same time, this situation has left you feeling uneasy, like you're not being made a priority. That's stressful, I know. But look, while this is happening, you're not standing still. You're following your heart, chasing your dreams, and going after what you truly want in life. Your energy, full of passion and dreams, is drawing attention, and the person you think about so much is still watching you, even if someone else is doing everything to get their attention. Lately, it seems like opportunities have been coming at you from all sides, especially in your professional life. This only reinforces how much irresistible energy you're radiating in every aspect of your life. The people around you notice it, they can't resist your natural charm, and you feel it clearly, a sense of joy that makes you feel like you're living in a true paradise on earth. All this positive vibe, this contagious energy, comes from the fact that you're focused on yourself. You're truly loving yourself, feeling good about who you are, comfortable in your own skin. And this self-confidence, this self-love, is exactly what people find so captivating about you. They see you as someone absolutely irresistible, and it's no wonder. Your inner glow, which reflects all this happiness and personal fulfillment, is something that doesn't go unnoticed. And this is what continues to attract attention and opportunities, making your presence felt wherever you go. This combination of passion for your dreams, self-confidence, and self-love creates a magnetic aura around you, making it impossible for others to ignore your unique brilliance. You are pure light, and those around you, in one way or another, end up being illuminated by you. This special person you carry in your thoughts, who occupies a place that no one else can fill, is more connected to you than you might imagine. They not only think of you but are deeply impacted by your presence in their dreams and in the moments when they try to understand what this connection means. This someone is not just an ordinary person. They are someone who, in some way, shines, whether through their position in society or the affection they receive from those around them. What attracts them so much to you is not something easily found out there. It's your unique energy, something that moves them in a way that few things can. The connection you share goes far beyond what the eyes can see. There is something deeply emotional and spiritual that binds you, something that touches every layer of being. They see in you a strength that goes beyond the physical, something they admire and respect. The way you carry yourself, the way you face challenges with grace, and above all your spirituality, are things they deeply value. You both share something in common that is very rare, a spiritual energy that you protect, a mutual understanding that not everyone deserves to be close to this very personal side of you. Just like you, this person avoids conflicts and seeks harmony in their relationships, which only strengthens the connection between you. From the beginning, they felt something different about you, a bond that can't be explained with just words. It's not just your appearance that catches their attention, although it's undeniable that this also plays an important role. What really makes their heart race is this harmony you share, this feeling that you're on the same wavelength. You have a solid foundation, built on values and dreams that seem to align perfectly, creating a mutual understanding that is rare and special. It's as if, in some way, you already knew each other before even exchanging a word, and this brings a sense of comfort and security that few people can offer. They feel that you fill spaces in their life that they didn't even know were empty, and this feeling creates an almost irresistible attraction, a force that pulls them toward you in a way they can't avoid. This person, who is now in your life, has already gone through an intense journey of self-discovery and transformation. It wasn't easy to get here. They've invested as much time as energy to heal the wounds of the past, to understand their own emotions, traumas, and deepest desires. And this whole process has transformed them into someone sensitive, empathetic, capable of seeing beyond appearances. They feel a genuine and spiritual connection with those who cross their path, but in a special way, this connection is even stronger with you. They see in you something unique, that goes beyond what is common. Even though their desire for a true and lasting commitment is great, they're not willing to get involved with just anyone. The truth is, no matter how many people around them want to be in their company, it doesn't affect them. They are searching for something deeper, something that aligns with their spiritual evolution. It's this quest for a connection that makes sense to the soul that made them see you differently. Some people might see them as someone who collects hearts, a conqueror. But know that, to them, you are not just another person. On the contrary, they feel that by your side, they can finally find what they've been searching for, a true relationship, where they can settle down and build something real and meaningful. They see in you the ability to treat them uniquely, with the consideration, respect, and affection they've always desired. And this perception makes them believe that, with you, they can find the peace and love they've longed for. Thus, they don't want a fleeting adventure, they don't desire something superficial. They are ready for something deeper, a relationship that resonates with the soul, where both of you can grow together and find true happiness. And they see in you this possibility, this chance to finally build something that really matters. You are like a safe harbor, where this person has found a place of peace and comfort. Your presence is so warm and bright that they feel at home by your side, as if they were in a refuge where the divine goodness within them can fully flourish. It's your energy, filled with light and love, that makes this person feel deeply inspired, leading them to reconnect with their spirituality in a way they may never have experienced before. It's very likely that, because of your influence, they've gone through a true spiritual awakening. They've begun to distance themselves from things and people that once surrounded them but didn't contribute to their well-being. Now they are more aware of their choices and extremely careful about who they decide to keep close. This change didn't happen by chance. It reflects a genuine desire to protect the new journey they're on, keeping around only those who truly help them grow and evolve. And among all the people around them, you shine uniquely. There's something in you that touches this person deeply, something that makes them feel intense and true emotions. It's not just a matter of admiration or affection, it's a deeper connection that transcends the superficial. They recognize that your presence has a direct impact on their personal growth, helping them become a better version of themselves. That's why they feel so drawn to you, not just emotionally, but also spiritually. They highly value the connection you share, seeing it as a space for mutual growth and the sharing of meaningful moments. This makes them want to be even closer to you, not just to share experiences, but also to share the process of self-discovery and evolution they're experiencing. They feel that, by your side, they are on the right path to achieving something greater and higher, and this makes them want to invest even more in the relationship you might have. You might be truly destined for each other, united not just by chance but by something greater, that transcends common understanding. This relationship, which is now beginning to gain strength, may carry a depth that you haven't fully realized yet. The person who now walks by your side, who was once immersed in a circle of superficiality and empty interests, finds in you a source of inspiration that goes beyond what they could have imagined. Your spirituality, your unique way of seeing the world, touches this person's heart in such a special way that it awakens in them a genuine desire to change, to evolve. You are more than just a companion, you are a living example of growth, of transformation. Your journey of self-discovery and your commitment to becoming a better person have been a light guiding this person, pushing them to seek their own spiritual awakening. They see in you a peace, a strength, and a wisdom that encourage them to become a higher version of themselves, to deeply commit to themselves and to you. Perhaps you are not yet fully aware of the impact you're having, but it's important to know that this connection you're building is a direct result of your inner work. You've dedicated yourself to knowing yourself, to healing your wounds, to praying, and to raising your vibration. You've transformed into the best version of yourself, and now God, in His infinite goodness, is bringing to you what you truly deserve. And the most amazing thing of all is that you didn't have to chase it desperately, it just happened. This person, this love, this connection is coming to you because you've created the space in your life for the best to arrive. Now what you need to do is allow this love to grow, to develop, knowing that everything you've planted, both in terms of love and spirituality, is beginning to bloom right before your eyes. There's no rush, no need to force anything, just trust the process and allow things to take their natural course. Love, when genuine, grows stronger with time, and the relationship you are building has everything to be a beautiful story of mutual growth and fulfillment. Finally, this deep and unexpected connection came to you in a surprising way, without you having to search for it. This is a clear and divine sign that you may be a destined pair, something that God has carefully prepared for both of you. Even if you don't see concrete evidence now or haven't had a direct conversation with this person yet, it's important that you feel, deep in your heart, that they are awakening to this connection. They have been watching you closely, with true and growing interest, and a conversation between you is about to happen. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me, to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.